In this small course, I built upon the previous course where I wrote the script with the help of ChatGPT to count the number of words on the Python homepage. I called that script Count Words on Page. Mind the lowercase words connected with underscores if you want to separate words. Let me refresh your memory. The function name in that script is Count Words on Web Page, and you can give a URL as argument and it gives as output the number of words on that page. I want to run this script indirectly through another script. I asked ChatGPT, how do you run a Python script through a script? It gave me a generic script with only 2 lines of code. I copy-pasted the script to a new script file. On the first line, I have changed the imported script to Count Words on Page. The second line prints the result of the imported script. Connect the imported script file with its function separated with a dot and give as argument the Python homepage. I call this script Communicate with Script. The words are lowercase and must be connected with underscores if you want to separate them. Make sure both scripts are in the same folder. Click on Run, Run Module, or hit the key F5 to run this script. The result of the first script that is outputted through the second script is shown on the idle shell screen. That's it. Like and subscribe, click the notifications bell to support my channel and learn with me.